Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to convert BTC to USDC on Coinbase. So watch it very end so you don't make any mistake. So let's get started. So the first thing you have to do is open your Coinbase app or website and log in. Then from there, tap on trade from the bottom menu, then click on convert at the top of the screen, then choose the cryptos you want. So in the field, select Bitcoins, which is the BTC. In the field also can select USDC, which is USD coin, which is called USDC. Then enter the amount, then input the amount of the BTC you want to convert to USDC, then preview and confirm. So for you to do preview and confirm, review the conversion details, tap on convert now to complete the transaction, then check your balance. So for you to do that, go to the asset to see your new USDC balance, and that's how to convert BTC to USDC on Coinbase.